Hello. Today we will solve a few sample problems regarding volume. First, let's calculate the volume of the rectangular prism. So length times width times height is 40. We know that length times width equals area. Therefore, volume is defined as the area of the given shape multiplied by the height. This definition of volume applies to all shapes. The volume of a cube is the area multiplied by the height. What shape do we have here? A square. So the volume is the area of the square multiplied by the height, and the area of the square is equal to one side multiplied by itself. As for the volume of a rectangular prism, we also stated that it is the area of the rectangle multiplied by the height, that is, length times width times height. For the volume of a cylinder, we also have the area of the circle multiplied by the height, which is the radius times 3.14 times the height. We will now work through a few examples involving the merging of two volumes with different shapes. Here we need to find two volumes and then determine whether to subtract them or add them together to obtain the total volume. So we have a few shapes here whose volumes we need to find. Two of them, right? They are squares and circles. First, we find the volume of the square-based shape by multiplying the area of the square by the height, which gives us a result of 27. Next, we find the volume of the second shape, which is the area of the circle multiplied by the height, equal to 113.143, resulting in 942. Now, these two volumes are subtracted from one another because a portion of the cube, which is circular in shape, has been removed. Consequently, the remaining volume is equal to 27 minus 9.42, equals 1758. Alright, go ahead and solve this problem yourself, pause the video, work it out, and then come back to check if your answer is correct. Here we have two rectangular shapes, one large and one small. We calculate their volumes and then subtract one from the other to find the remaining volume. The volume of the large rectangle is equal to the area of the rectangle times the height, which is equal to 60. Now the volume of the small rectangle is equal to the area of the rectangle times the height, which is equal to 12. Now we subtract it from each other, which equals 48. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Goodbye.